In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your cells a background pattern or gradient in Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to format your cells. This can be any spreadsheet you're currently working on. Once your file is open, you can decide whether you want to apply a background pattern or a gradient fill, depending on the look you're going for. Let's start with a background pattern. Select the cell or the range of cells that you want to format. After that, right-click on the selected area and choose Format Cells. This will open the Format Cells dialog box where you'll find several formatting options for your selection. At the top of that window, click the Fill tab. This is where you control the cell's background appearance. Under Background Color, choose the main fill color you want for the cell. Then under Pattern Color, select the color you want the pattern itself to appear in. After that, go to Pattern Style and choose the pattern you want to use. You'll usually see a preview as you make your selections, which helps you decide what looks best before applying it. When everything looks right, click OK. Your selected cells will now display the pattern with the colors you chose. Now let's look at how to apply a gradient fill. Just like before, start by selecting the cell or range of cells you want to change. Right-click the selection and choose Format Cells to open the same dialog box. Click the Fill tab at the top. From there, click Fill Effects. This opens another dialog box. If you see multiple tabs, make sure you're on the Gradient tab. Next, choose the option for two colors. This allows you to create a smooth transition between two different shades. Use the Color 1 and Color 2 drop-down menus to pick the two colors you want for your gradient background. Once your colors are selected, choose the shading style that best fits the effect you want. Then select a variant, which adjusts the direction or appearance of the gradient. This gives you a little more control over how the final result looks inside the cell. When you're happy with the preview, click OK to confirm the gradient settings and then apply the formatting. And that's it. You now know how to add either a patterned background or a gradient fill to cells in Excel. These options can be useful for highlighting important information, organizing sections of a worksheet, or simply making your spreadsheet more visually polished.